making another slime tower tycoon. If you haven't seen the other two, go watch it now, or else he's gonna bash you up again and again. And I said nothing. I still have the code from last time. I didn't have that much storage, so I didn't get it. So yeah, yeah. So I didn't get to make a bigger video. But yeah, I'm fine. But I can't believe I got like 500,000. Like, I didn't know you could do it offline. And I still have my thingies, like Ray and like that. Deposit them. No, whoa, don't worry. Oh yeah, I have Rena at my house right now, but yeah, she doesn't want to make a video because she's really bored, and she didn't bring her iPad to play. And yeah, she's opening the thingy. Wait, guys, I'm gonna ask her.
Hi, viewers.
She said hi. Yo, what's good? Rena. Yeah, sure. Rena, come back. What should I get? More slimes or more Ray? It's currently on 2,000.
More slimes, I'm sure.
Oh,
how do you have 400 and...
I told you I got codes. She doesn't watch my videos. Wow.
But guys,
I'm about to get 100K. Wow, yo, you good?
Yeah, just go.
Yeah, just go. Like nothing.
Hey, Thunder.
My name's not Andrew. Guys, comment down below. Is my name Andrew? No. My name's not Andrew. Rina, come here. Let's show the viewers that. Fun. Rina, I got 1 million. I just got a million. I got a million coins. All on slimes or all on rate?
Slimes.
Yo. What is she saying? Damn, that's...
I'm buying. I'm shaking him.
Wait, I got 500. I got 500 slimes.
Bam, 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 bam.
It merges automatically, so yeah. What is she saying?
Bada, bada, bada.
Hey, no copyright music. No copyright music. Bada, bada, bada. Nanya.
Have you seen my phone?
Have you seen my phone?
It's in your room.
My sister just talked when I was recording. Wow.
You can cut that out, idiot.
I don't know how to, idiot. I got this. Guys, I'm gonna. Rena, do you want to see me merge my slimes? Guys, I'm gonna merge it before it automatically merges. Guys, we're gonna see if Rena watches me merge my slimes. Rena, come here, quickly. Rena, emergency, these nuts. Rena. I'm gonna merge my slimes. You wanna see it? Rena, do you wanna see me merge my slimes? She says, wait, how am I supposed to break? Bada 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 What is this slime? What do you? Bada 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 Oh my god, but hey yo, bada bada bada. I'm getting 8,000 per. No way. That was it. Why does it always do this? What the hell? Damn, phone is recording. 2, 1. Like, actually. 3, 2. I'm gonna merge my slimes. Come on, come here. You're drawing someone? Oh my god. I'm just gonna merge it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merged it, baby. Oh my god, I got 1 crimson, 2 purples, and 1. Oh my god, what the hell? Wait. Why am I? Oh my god, I'm still getting slimes. Yeah, bye. Cause I'm gonna upgrade on my way. I'm gonna upgrade my way. Oh, it's my thingy. Time to find a new code. Wrong. Avoid. Maybe coins. What about? Oh my god! But what the? I tried. Give up now. But why am I getting more white slimes than everything else? That makes no sense. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to do the obby again. Wait, I was about to. Complete the obby for a temporary brew. Yes, sir. Why am I lagging? I don't wanna lag. Look. Yes, sir. He just. Why would you? Oh no. What the? Yes. I'm lagging big time. No! This is the developer if you haven't seen. One of the yep, you know. Just kidding, you thought I was gonna what? Yo, boy, look at this. I accidentally got through. I'll eat this one. Are you serious right now? Bada bada bada. Bada bada bada. Hurry up, yo, boy. Bada bada. Bada bada bada. Bada bada bada. I do like my friend. His name is Jeremy. His name is Jeremy. Yo, ball. Alright, guys, I was on like a Please My game. Go check that out. Then I donated like a bunch of Robux, like almost 1,000. And then like, guys, I got 4 subscribers. Woo! Bada bada bada. My friend's so happy that he's even vomiting. He's even listening to AirPods. They see me rolling. Wait, just stand here and there's gonna be a bunch of purples just like lining up. Purple. Purple and balls. I got big rate. Alright, guys, please. Bada bada bada. Bada bada bada. Okay. So those please smart people that are watching this game, they might think I have this cool outfit. Like I got this cool headless and that missing leg, and like this knife here, and like yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, that's my actually dream outfit, but I can't get it because I need Robux, and that's way too much Robux. So yeah, I'm not gonna. Well, probably in like 10 quadrillion years, where you guys actually subscribe, then I get Robux. When I get Robux, I'll donate like bada bada bada, bada bada, like that. But right now, just keep bada bada bada, bada bada bada, bada bada bada, bada bada bada, Dev. These are nothing. Imagine if that did work. Oh my button! I did not see that. Look at all these colorful flames! Reality. To puzzle them by use or nothing. Hi guys. So right now I'm gonna make another video like later, like in like a few minutes in a different game. So yeah. That means 1 second. I have to find something good. Totally not for an outro. Totally not now. Alright guys, today we're gonna leave cause wrong angle. Wrong angle. Hey yo! Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave. If you guys enjoyed. And today I'm gonna go and make another video. So bye.